Hi there, I'm Josh from Fine & Country of Bideford, and behind me is a beautiful property called Harbour Lights here in Horns Cross. This is the first time in almost 40 years that this property is coming to the market, but why not, let's take a quick look around inside. So once inside, this beautiful property features 4 bedrooms, including multiple reception rooms, but the main highlight here is this beautiful wraparound conservatory overlooking the beautiful gardens that you can see behind me and the far-reaching views in the distance. Outside here at Harbour Lights, you have the beautiful landscaped and extensive gardens that feature lovely areas such as the outdoor fireplace and also outdoor swimming pool. But if you would like to see more of this property, then why not contact our team today on 01237 426 018.